Well, if anybody else hears that noise on the 40-meter band, it sounds like a truck tire whining as it goes down the road. Just said something on AIM here. On OmisNet, somebody said it's a mothership. Sounds like somebody's got Vox on, and it's quite a weird QRM. Never heard nothing like that before. Big heavy whining noise. There, and it just stopped.